afternoon, kids. Good afternoon, kids. How are you all? They all are fit, fine and cheerful. Perfect. So, kids, here is your Lavina ma'am. And here is your Ishneet ma'am. So, kids, are you all ready to start your day with us? Yes, ma'am. Perfect. So, first of all, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, start Namokar mantra. नमो अरिहंतानं नमो सिद्धानं नमो अरियानं नमो उवचायानं नमो लोहे सव्य साहुनं ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सव्य पापनासनो मंगलानं च सव्य सिंह परममहवै मंगलम्. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tassavitul Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Open your eyes, hands down. So kids, are you all ready? Yes, ma'am. Perfect. So kids, first of all, tell us what is the date today? Today is 19th January 2021. Today is 19th January 2021. And what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Yes, okay. So you remember what we did in our last class? Yes, kids, we did means of transport. Yes, we did means of transport. So ma'am, what are means of transport? Vehicles by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another. Alright kids, ऐसे vehicles जिसमें people travel करते हैं from one place to another place and goods ले जाए जाते हैं from one place to another place. These are known as means of transport. Yes, like car, truck, ship, yacht, aeroplane, train, helicopter, etc. These are means of transport. Alright kids, so means of transport क्या होते हैं? Vehicles by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another. Okay kids, ऐसे vehicles जिसमें लोग travel करते हैं from one place to another place and सामान ले जाया जाता है from one place to another place. Yes, these are known as means of transport. So and kids, how many types of transport are there? There are 3 types of means of transport. Land transport, water transport, and air transport. Yes, okay kids, so we did land transport in our previous class. So now today we'll revise it once again. So ma'am, what is land transport? Vehicles that move on land are known as land transport. Alright kids, ऐसे vehicles जो land पे चलते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Land transport. Like car, bus, truck, motorbike, bicycle, auto rickshaw, etc. are known as land transport. Alright kids, so we have done some of the land transport in our previous class. Yes. Now let's revise it once again. Yes, now we'll quickly revise it. Okay kids, now see which land transport is this? This is a jeep. It is the land transport. And see kids, how many wheels are there in a jeep? A jeep has 4 wheels. Yes, a jeep has 4 wheels. Okay and kids, एक jeep के कितने wheels होते हैं? 4 wheels. And kids, some jeeps are open and some are closed. ठीक है, हमने देखा है ना, कुछ jeeps open होती हैं और कुछ jeeps closed होती हैं. And jeeps are used for military purposes and safari purposes.
All right, kids. So हमने देखा है ना आर्मी ऑफिसर्स जा रहे होते हैं जीप में. So
Yes.
जीप मिलिट्री पर्पसेस के लिए भी काम आती है और सफारी पर्पस के लिए भी काम आती है. लाइक
Yes.
अगर हम किसी एडवेंचरस पार्क में जाते हैं या रिजॉर्ट में जाते हैं, so वहाँ हम देखते हैं ना ओपन सफारी जीप.
Yes. And kids, jeep runs with the help of petrol and diesel.
ओके किड्स, जीप किसकी हेल्प से चलती है?
With the help of petrol and diesel.
So which vehicle is this?
This is a jeep.
This is a jeep.
It is a land transport.
It is a land transport.
And it has 4 wheels.
It has 4 wheels.
Okay,
Now
kids.
see the next land transport.
Yes.
Which vehicle is this?
This is a truck.
This is a truck.
And it is a land transport.
It is a land transport. हमने देखा है ना ट्रक कहाँ चलता है? लैंड पे चलता है ना?
Yes, so truck is a land transport. And kids, truck has many wheels.
किड्स, ट्रक के बहुत सारे व्हील्स होते हैं.
Yes.
हम जब जाते हैं बाहर तो हम देखते हैं ना ट्रक स्मॉल साइज के भी होते हैं और बहुत बिग साइज के भी होते हैं. So
Yes.
ट्रक के many व्हील्स होते हैं.
And truck is used for carrying heavy goods, heavy loads from one place to another.
किड्स, तो ट्रक में हम क्या लेकर जाते हैं? जो हेवी आर्टिकल्स होते हैं ना, हेवी गुड्स, भारी सामान, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह किसकी हेल्प से ले जाया जाता है?
With the help of truck. Okay, kids. So, which vehicle is this?
This is a truck.
This is a truck. It is a land transport.
It is a land transport.
And it has many wheels.
It has many wheels.
Okay, now
See the next land transport.
Yes. Which land transport is this?
This is a motorbike.
This is a motorbike. And kids, motorbike is a land transport. Yes. And how many wheels are there in a motorbike?
A motorbike has 2 wheels. That's
Yes.
why we call it a
Two-wheeler. And
Okay,
motorbike-
kids, एक
yes.
मोटरबाइक के कितने व्हील्स होते हैं?
2 wheels.
इसलिए हम क्या बोलते हैं मोटरबाइक को?
Two-wheeler. Okay, kids. And while traveling on a motorbike, we should always wear a helmet.
ओके किड्स, तो हमें अपनी सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखना चाहिए ना कि एवरी टाइम व्हेन वी ट्रैवल ऑन अ मोटरबाइक वी शुड वेयर ए हेलमेट.
Yes, and a motorbike runs with the help of petrol.
कि किड्स, मोटरबाइक किसकी हेल्प से चलती है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ
Petrol.
So
Okay.
which land transport is this?
This is a motorbike.
This is a motorbike.
It has 2 wheels.
It has 2 wheels.
And it runs with the help of petrol.
It runs with the help of petrol.
Okay, now.
Now see the next land transport.
Yes, which land transport is this?
This is a bullock cart.
This is a bullock cart. Okay, kids, it is a land transport.
Okay kids, bullock cart कहाँ चलता है? लाइन पे
Line
चलता है ना? That's why it is a land transport.
It has 2 to 4 wheels.
Okay kids, bullock cart के कितने wheels होते हैं?
2 to 4.
And it is pulled by an oxen.
Yes, कौन pull करता है इसको? Oxen. Okay, and we use bullock cart to carry goods.
Okay kids, अगर हमें सामान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाना होता है ना पास में कहीं,
Yes.
तो हम किसकी हेल्प से लेके जाते हैं?
With the help of bullock cart. Okay,
So
and-
kids, हमने bullock cart कहाँ देखे हैं जब हम villages में
Villages.
जाते हैं?
So kids, we find bullock cart in a village.
All right. So which land transport is this?
This is a bullock cart.
This is a bullock cart.
It has 2 to 4 wheels.
It has 2 to 4 wheels.
Okay, now
See the next land transport.
Oh, what are these?
These are trains.
These are trains. Yes, and train is a
Land transport.
yes, trains are land transport.
And kids, train runs on a railway track.
Yes, train कहाँ चलती है? On a rail track. Okay.
Kids, and आपने देखा है ना trains के आगे क्या होते हैं?
Engine. Trains
Engine.
run with the help of engine.
All right, kids, and a train
Yes.
has many wheels.
Yes, train have many wheels. Okay, and there are 2 types of trains: goods train,
Goods
and,
train
and
and
passengers train.
Okay, kids.
Yes.
Now, what is goods train?
Yes, see kids, what is goods train? Goods train is where goods are carried from one place to another.
Okay, kids. goods train क्या होती है? जिसमें goods ले जाए जाते हैं, सामान ले जाया जाता है from one place to another.
Yes, and see kids,
What
which
is passengers train?
in the train in which passengers travel from one place to another.
Okay, kids. ऐसी ट्रेन जिसमें पैसेंजर्स ट्रैवल करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Passengers train. Okay kids, so what are these?
These are trains.
These are trains, and trains are land transport.
Okay, and trains run on the rail track.
Yes, and it has many wheels.
All right,
Okay,
kids. So we have done land
Transport.
transport. We have revised today.
Land transport.
So kids,
Yes.
आप सबको समझ में आया ना?
Yes. So today, kids, we are going to learn about air transport and water transport.
Ma'am, what is water transport?
Vehicles that move through water are known as water transport.
Okay, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो कहाँ चलते हैं, जो
Water
water
में
में
चलते
चलते
हैं,
हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Water transport.
For example,
Ship, boat, yacht. What are these? These are water transport.
These are water transport.
And
Okay, so what is
Yes.
water transport?
Vehicles that move through water are known as water transport.
ऐसे vehicles जो पानी में चलते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं
Water transport.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now.
see the first water transport.
Yes, this is a ship.
This is a ship.
Yes, it is a water transport.
It is a water transport.
Yes, ship कहाँ चलती है? पानी में. So
इसलिए हम
इसलिए
इसे क्या कहते हैं?
water transport. Okay, and ship is a large sized vehicle.
Okay, kids. So ship size में कैसी होती है? बहुत बड़ी होती है ना?
Yes, and it moves all over the world.
Okay, kids. So ship पूरे वर्ल्ड में चलती है. पूरे वर्ल्ड के जितने भी ओशंस होते हैं, सीज होते हैं, वहां पे कौन सा वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है?
Ship. Okay, kids, and goods are carried and many passengers travel in a ship.
Okay, kids. So ship में बहुत सारे goods ले जाए जाते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, और बहुत सारे passengers at one time ship में travel कर सकते हैं.
Yes, it is bigger than boat.
Okay, kids. So boat से ship size में बहुत बड़ी होती है.
And who steers the ship?
A helmsman steers the ship.
Ship कौन चलाता है? Helmsman.
Okay, kids.
Kids.
So ship कौन steer करता है? A
Helmsman.
helmsman.
Okay, kids. So which water transport is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship. Okay.
And ship is a water transport.
Ship is a water transport.
Okay, now see the next water transport.
Yes. See, which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. And boat is a water transport.
Okay, kids. Boat क्या है? Boat water में चलती है ना? So boat is a water transport.
It is a small sized vehicle.
Okay, kids. Boat size में छोटी होती है ना? So it is a small size vehicle.
Yes, and boat is made up of wood.
Kids, boat किससे बनती है? Wood से. Wood means लकड़ी.
We use boat riding on a lake and ponds while riding on lakes and ponds.
So kids, हम जाते हैं ना लेक साइड और पॉन्ड साइड, सो हम देखते हैं ना वहाँ पे क्या होती है? बहुत सारी बोट्स होती हैं. फिर हम बोट
Yes.
राइड करते हैं ना?
Yes, and kids, we use oars and ride a boat. While riding a boat, we use oars.
Okay, kids. So हम oars की हेल्प से क्या राइड करते हैं? A boat.
Boat. Okay, kids. Now
And?
see, which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. It is a water transport.
It is a water transport.
And it is smaller than ship.
Okay, kids. ये साइज में शिप से छोटी होती है.
Okay, kids.
Now see the next water transport.
Now see, yes, which water transport is this?
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. It is a water transport.
Okay, kids, so yacht भी कहाँ चलता है? पानी में चलता है ना? That's why it is a water transport.
It is a medium-sized vehicle.
Okay, ये size में कैसे होता है? Medium size.
Yes, it is also known as motorboat and sailing boat.
ठीक है, so हम yacht को क्या बोलते हैं? Motorboat भी और sailing boat भी बोलते हैं.
Yes, and it is used for racing and sailing.
ठीक है, so जब हम जाते हैं ना बीच साइड, so हम वहाँ देखते हैं ना वहाँ पे कितनी सारी yacht होती है, मोटर बोट्स होती हैं.
Yes.
हम क्या करते हैं? हम रेसिंग करते हैं
Sailing
और
करते
ये
हैं.
yacht को हम सेलिंग पर्पसेस के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. so आप ये देख रहे हैं ना, ये क्या है?
These are sails. Okay, kids. Now, which water transport is this?
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. Okay, kids.
Now, kids, we have done water transport, and now we'll do the
Air transport.
Mom, what is air transport?
Vehicles that move through air are known as air transport.
So, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो air में चलते
चलते
हैं, जो हवा में चलते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Air transport.
For example,
Aeroplane,
aeroplane,
helicopter.
helicopter.
What are these? These are
Air transports. What
Yes.
is air transport?
vehicles that move through air are known as air transport.
ऐसे vehicles जो air में चलते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं air transport.
Okay.
Now, see the first air transport.
Yes, which air transport is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. And aeroplane is a
Air transport.
Yes.
Aeroplane air में चलता है ना, so that's why it's a air transport.
And so many passengers travel in an aeroplane at one time.
Okay, kids. So aeroplane size में बहुत बड़ा होता है. So उसमें बहुत सारे passengers at one time travel कर सकते हैं.
And see kids, there are two wings. Aeroplane के कितने wings होते हैं?
Two wings.
See kids, these are wings. Aeroplane has two wings.
And an aeroplane runs by the pilot.
Aeroplane कौन चलाता है? Pilot. And where we see the aeroplane?
We see aeroplanes in the airport.
Yes, हम aeroplane कहाँ देखते हैं? Airports पे.
किds हम जाते हैं ना एयरपोर्ट पे, वहाँ हम देखते हैं ना कितने सारे एरोप्लेन्स होते हैं.
Yes, so kids, which air transport is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. It has two wings.
It has two wings.
And a pilot runs it.
A pilot runs an aeroplane.
Okay, kids.
Now see the next air transport.
Now see, which air transport is this?
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. Yes. And helicopter is a
Air transport.
yes. It is also known as a flying machine.
Kids, ये भी air में fly करता है ना. That's why we call it a flying machine.
It is also known as chopper and fighter jet.
किds, so हम helicopter को chopper भी बोलते हैं और fighter jet भी बोलते हैं.
But like aeroplane, helicopter don't have wings.
लेकिन kids, aeroplane की तरह helicopter के wings नहीं होते हैं.
It flies with the help of blade called rotors that move round and round.
किds, so helicopter किसकी हेल्प से फ्लाई करते हैं? जो यहाँ ऊपर ब्लेड्स होते हैं ना, इन्हें हम rotors बोलते हैं. ये राउंड एंड राउंड मूव करते हैं और इनकी हेल्प से हेलीकॉप्टर्स फ्लाई करते हैं.
Yes, so which air transport is this?
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter.
A helicopter is a air transport.
Yes, it is known as a flying machine.
Okay, kids. So we have done water and air transport. And now we'll do their spellings.
So kids, you have to speak with ma'am.
Okay,
Now
kids.
now see the first water transport. Yes, which water transport is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship. And what is the spelling of ship? Speak with ma'am. S
S
H
H
I
I
P.
P.
SHIP. Ship.
SHIP. Ship.
What is the spelling of ship? Speak with ma'am. SHIP. Ship.
SHIP. Ship.
Okay, now see the next water transport. Which water transport is this? Now see the next water transport. Yes.
This is a boat.
This is a boat. And what is the spelling of boat? Yes, speak with ma'am. B
B
O
O
A
A
T.
T.
What is the spelling of boat? B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
Yes, very good. Now see the next water transport.
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. And what is the spelling of yacht? Yes, speak with ma'am. Y
Y
A
A
C
C
H
H
T.
T.
What is the spelling of yacht? Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Okay, Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Very good. Now see the next transport.
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. And what is the spelling of aeroplane? Speak with ma'am. A
A
E
E
R
R
O.
O
Arrow.
arrow
P
P
L
L
A
A
N
N
E.
E.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
P-L-A-N-E, plane.
P-L-A-N-E, plane.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
P-L-A-N-E, plane.
P-L-A-N-E, plane.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Very good. Now see the next spelling. Now see the next transport. Which transport is this?
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. And what is the spelling of helicopter? H
H
E
E
L
L
I.
I.
Heli.
Heli.
C
C
O
O
P
P
T
T
E
E
R.
R.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
What is the spelling of helicopter? Yes, speak with ma'am. H-E-L-I, heli.
H-E-L-I, heli.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
H-E-L-I, heli.
H-E-L-I, heli.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Okay, kids. Okay, it's what we have done.
We have done means of transport.
Means of transport. And we have learned their spellings.
Okay, so वे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी है. Okay, so
Yes.
मैम ने अब आपको means of transport कराए ना. Now मैम is going to ask you some
Questions.
all right, so are you
Yes.
all ready? मैम आपसे कुछ questions
Questions
put up
कुछ-
करेंगी.
Yes. Okay, now.
Now, yes, the first question is, where does it run? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Utkarsh, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Utkarsh, quickly unmute yourself.
Yes, beta, speak up. No, beta, the question is, where does it run? ये कहाँ चलता है?
Yes, baby. It runs on land.
ये land पे चलता है ना? It's a land transport.
Yes.
Okay, now the next question is,
Name two land transport.
okay, now who is going to answer? Raise your hand.
Yes, Pranay Saini, unmute yourself. Yes, Pranay Saini, quickly unmute yourself. Anybody else? Raise your hand. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Chitranshi, unmute yourself. Yes, Chitranshi, quickly, unmute yourself. Yes.
Anyone else who is going to answer? Name two land transport.
Yes, Rachit, unmute yourself. Yes, Rachit.
Ma'am, bus,
Very good. Yes, bus. And one more.
car,
Very good. Very nice.
Okay, now the next question is, which type of train is this? Who is going to answer?
Raise your hand.
Samriddhi, please unmute yourself.
train,
Beta,
land.
which type of train is this?
कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट है लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट है या ट्रांसपोर्ट है कौन सा
Beta, it is
Is it a goods train or a passengers train? ये कौन सी train है?
This train.
very
Passengers
good.
train. Very
Passengers
nice.
train.
Okay, now the next question is,
Yes, next question is, how many wings are there in an aeroplane?
okay, now who is going to answer?
Raise your hand. Yes.
Raj, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Yuvraj. How many wings are there in an aeroplane? Yes.
4.
Beta, aeroplane has 2 wings. Okay, kids? Aeroplane has 2 wings.
Okay, now the next question is, which vehicle is pulled by an animal?
Raise
Raise
your
your
hand.
hand. कौन सा vehicle animal pulled करता है? Who is going to answer? Bhavik, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Bhavik.
Very good. Very nice.
Yes. Okay, now the next question is, name 2 water transport. Yes, Chehek, unmute yourself. Yes, Chehek, quickly, unmute yourself. Yes, Chehek. Anybody else? Raise your hand. Yes. Yes, Vyom, unmute yourself. Yes, Vyom, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, name 2 water transport.
मोटर ट्रांसपोर्ट के बताओ नेम
Sheep,
Ship, very good.
boat,
Very good. Ship and boat, very nice.
Okay, now
Now-
the next question is,
Now see.
which vehicle runs on railway track?
Yes,
Raise your hand. Who is going to answer? Princey, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Princey, quickly, unmute yourself.
sorry ma'am. मम्मी क्या बोलूं? क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Yes.
Yes, beta, which vehicle runs on the railway track?
ट्रेन
Train.
Very good. Okay, now the next question is, which vehicle runs with the help of pedal? Yes, Ashi, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Bicycle.
Very good. Bicycle,
Very
very nice. Wow, kids, you know each and everything. Very good.
Very good, kid.
Very
बहुत अच्छे
nice.
से समझ में आया ना means of transport.
Yes, very good.
Very nice, kids.
Wow.
Wow, I have two chocolates. आज तो मुझे मम्मा ने two chocolates दी.
Wow, I have 6 toffees. Yummy. मम्मा ने मुझे 6 toffees दिए, मेरी favorite toffees.
और मम्मा ने मुझे बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है. तो मैं अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करूंगी.
Oh, these are my favorite candies. मैं तो इसे किसी के साथ भी शेयर नहीं करूंगी. These are my favorite candies. Excuse me?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
See, I have 6 toffees.
Oh wow, and you know ये मेरी favorite candies हैं.
Oh.
Can you please give me one?
No, I said I'll not share with anyone.
Okay. पर मुझे तो मामा ने बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है, इसलिए मैं अपनी चॉकलेट अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करूंगी. Excuse me.
Yes.
See, I have two chocolates.
Wow, chocolates.
Yes, and you know मेरी मम्मा ने कहा है कि इसे आपको अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करना है. So आप मेरी फ्रेंड हो ना?
Yes.
So please take one.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, my friend shared a chocolate with me, but मैंने तो उन्हें अपनी टॉफीज शेयर ही नहीं की. Now, what should I do? Excuse me?
Yes.
See, I'm really sorry. मैंने अपनी टॉफीज आपके साथ शेयर ही नहीं की, लेकिन आपने तो अपनी चॉकलेट मेरे साथ शेयर की. I'm really very sorry.
It's okay.
Take one candy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, now see kids, हमने क्या देखा इसमें? We saw
Magical words.
golden words.
Alright,
Yes.
kids.
We saw
Magical
Magical
words
words.
और
golden words. So
kids,
kids,
magical words कौन से होते हैं?
excuse me,
Excuse me.
thank you,
Thank you.
please,
Please.
sorry.
Sorry.
So kids, what are these?
These are magical words or golden words.
Yes, these are magical words or golden words. Okay kids, so kids, when do we use excuse me?
We use excuse me when we want to seek attention.
हम excuse me कब use करते हैं? जब हमें किसी की attention चाहिए होती है. Then we use excuse me.
Okay kids, जब हमें किसी की attention चाहिए होती है तो हम कौन सा word use करते हैं?
Excuse me. Okay kids, now when do we use thank you?
We use thank you when someone helps us.
Yes, हम thank you कब use करते हैं? जब कोई हमारी help करता है, हमारी मदद करता है. Then we say thank you.
Okay kids, so हम thank you use करते हैं जब कोई हमारी help करता है या फिर अपनी things हमारे साथ share करता है. So हम क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें?
Thank you. Okay kids, and when do we use please?
We use please when we want something from someone.
Yes, kids, जब हमें किसी से कुछ चाहिए होता है, तब हम क्या बोलते हैं? Please.
Okay kids, जब हमें किसी से कुछ चाहिए होता है, हम request करते हैं उन्हें, तब हम क्या use करते हैं?
Please. And when do we say sorry?
We say sorry when we hurt someone.
Yes, हम sorry कब बोलते हैं? जब हम किसी को चोट पहुंचाते हैं. Okay kids, तब हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sorry.
So kids, हम sorry कब बोलते हैं? जब हम किसी को hurt करते हैं या हम कुछ
Yes.
गलत करते हैं तो हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Sorry. Okay kids, what are these? These are
magical words और
golden words.
okay, so हमें इन golden words को अपनी daily life में use करना चाहिए.
Yes, okay kids, हम good babies है ना, इसलिए हमें ये golden words अपनी daily life में use करने हैं. Okay kids, so golden words कौन से हैं? Excuse me, thank you, please, and sorry. So kids, what are these? These are golden words or
Magical words.
Yes, so kids, now we'll do our rhyme.
Yes, are you all ready? आप सब
Yes.
साथ sing करनी है rhyme.
So, first of all, we'll say title. The title of our rhyme is Golden Words. We say thank you. We say please.
We say thank you. We say please.
And excuse me when we sneeze.
And excuse me when we sneeze.
That's the way
That's the way
we do what's right.
we do what's right.
We have manners.
We have manners.
We are polite.
We are polite.
Yay!
Yay!
So kids, हमने इस rhyme में कौन से words देखे?
Please,
Sorry
thank you.
and excuse me.
Okay, so what are these?
These are golden words
Okay.
or magical words.
So हमें golden words को and magical words को अपनी daily life में use करना चाहिए. All right,
Yes. So kids, tomorrow is Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti.
कि kids कल क्या है? कल गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जयंती है.
And who is Guru Gobind Singh Ji?
कि kids गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी कौन थे? He was the 10th guru of Sikhs.
Yes, Guru Gobind Singh Ji कौन थे?
सिखों के 10वें गुरु थे. Okay, kids कल उनका बर्थडे है ना?
Yes.
So कल क्या है?
Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti. And kids, what were his teachings?
किड्स उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाई हैं. सो हमें वो सारी टीचिंग्स अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो करनी चाहिए. He was a
Yes.
very brave man. He sacrificed
Sacrificed.
his life for our nation.
Yes.
So वो बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेव है ना, तो उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ नेशन के लिए
Sacrifice
sacrifice कर
की.
दी. So
Yes.
हमें भी इसी तरीके से सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का ब्रेवरी से
से-
सामना करना चाहिए.
और अपने bad habits को sacrifice करना चाहिए.
कि
Kids,
kids, and he teaches us to always speak truth.
वो हमें क्या सिखाते थे कि हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए.
कि we should always follow the path of truth. हमें हमेशा
सच बोलना चाहिए.
and सच्चाई के रास्ते पर चलना चाहिए. And
Yes.
kids, we should share our meals with needy people.
Yes, kids, हम कितने blessed है ना कि हमारे पास खाना है, shelter है. So इसलिए हमें अपने खाने को waste नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें उनको needy people के साथ share करना चाहिए.
All right, kids, and we should donate 1/10 part of our earnings to needy people.
Yes, kids, हमारी earning का जो 10% है, हमें उन्हें needy people के से donate करना चाहिए. Needy people को देना चाहिए.
कि kids, हम बहुत blessed है ना, हमारे पास सब कुछ है.
Yes.
हमें needy people के साथ share
Share-
करना चाहिए.
और
okay?
हमें needy people की भी help करनी चाहिए.
So kids, हमें गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी की सारी टीचिंग्स को अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो करना है. So that we should become a
Good person, good human being. Okay, kids, and what we did today?
we did means of transport.
Yes, we did means of transport. And what is means of transport?
Means by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another place.
And how many types of means of transport are there?
There are 3 types of means of transport.
Yes, land transport
Water transport.
and air transport.
All right, kids. And then we did magical words.
Yes, golden words. And golden words कौन से होते हैं? Please,
Please,
sorry,
sorry,
thank you,
thank you,
and excuse me.
and excuse me.
What are these? These were
Golden words.
yes, okay. हमें इन golden words को अपनी daily life में follow करना है, daily life में use करना है.
All right,
Okay.
kids. And then we did a rhyme.
On golden words. Okay, kids. So kids, ये हमारी कौन सी classes चल रही हैं?
ये हमारी लाइफ क्लासेस चल रही हैं.
एंड आप हमारी लाइव क्लासेस, आप हमारी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस को स्कूल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जो आपको लिंक शेयर होता है उसे ओपन करके देख सकते हैं या फिर स्कूल यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी देख सकते हैं.
You can like and subscribe the school YouTube channel for regular updates.
Till then, take care, stay
Stay
safe, bye bye.